chance of rain 50%. Watch in Central Daylight Time this morning through this evening. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a flash flood watch for portions of north central Alabama and northeast Alabama, including the following areas: in north central Alabama, Coleman and Morgan; in northeast Alabama, Jackson and Marshall. From 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning through this evening, 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible on already saturated ground. This will lead to excessive and an elevated risk of flash flooding. If heavy rainfall develops in these areas, flash flooding will develop rather quickly. A flash flood watch means that conditions will flooding. Flash flooding is a situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.